All right, so it is a rainy day in Cherokee County. I'm showing some gorgeous homes, and I can't wait for you to see this one. It is fantastic. Of course, I forgot my dang umbrella, so I'm gonna run and grab that. But can't wait for you to see this one. We have a beautiful home to show you in Cherokee County today. It's located on an acre. It's got an incredible backyard that makes even a rainy day like this beautiful. So what did you think about this house? Would you love to check out this backyard in person? Give us a call. We do life in this area. We can help you do the same.